Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we've got the brand new GoPro 9, so we're going to film that today, and it's super windy, so just going to test out how good it is. We've had loads and loads of people messaging us and doing some comments about the bed, about its functionality, what the dimensions are, and what the storage is like when you put surfboard and bikes in. So we're going to go through that today to answer all those questions. It's a bit easier just to do a video. So the bed's set up as a single bed at the moment. So the dimensions of the bed, so the width of it single, 70 centimeters, the length is 190 centimeters, and then the height of it as well, that's 37 centimeters. So as you can see, there's loads of storage underneath, so you can put stuff in there. If we come around to this side, you can also have got access at the top there, and then you can have access here as well, but we just put these boards in because it looks nice. And yeah, it pretty much looks nice. So pretty much you can put 2 bikes down the side here, and then obviously if you're on your own you can just sleep on it with your 2 bikes down the side. Because loads of people kept asking how do you sleep with your bikes in it, which I think is quite self-explanatory, but yeah, so you put your bike there and you sleep here. Same again, if you've got surfboards you can put them in, or anything else. So we can also put up these little hooks. So we use the black lanyard things there to tie the surfboard up to the roof, so we'll demonstrate in a minute. But again, if you want to put the surfboard and everything under here as well, so if you pull the bed out, you can still put your surfboards underneath. But again, if you've got a bike, then obviously you can't have the bike under the bed. The surfboard does fit under here, but again, it depends how wide it is, so it depends how wide you want to build yours. You could not build a length of this. So we haven't attached the bed, so we haven't screwed it into the van at all, because we don't need to, because the weight of it keeps it in place, it doesn't move. And then also if you want to use the full use of the van, you can just lift the bed out, take it out, and then you've got full use of the van again. Loads of people secure everything down, but that's a nightmare if you don't want to, transport big goods or anything like that. It's just in the way, so I wouldn't recommend securing it down. So if we built the bed again, I would make the bed probably about an inch thinner, just so it's easier to get the bikes out, because when you've got 2, sometimes it is a bit of a tight squeeze. And when we do that, we put the foam up on the side so it's vertical, so that stops the pedals just ripping up the foam. But yeah, so we're now going to demonstrate how it all goes in. So this is putting a bike in. Like I say, we can get 2 in here, but this is just 1. So that's pretty much it. So you've got the bike in. We then put this block on the wall with this lanyard or string, whatever you want to use, so you can then just simply tie that around the bike and it stops it moving around. And then we then connect that to the lashing points at the back, stops the bike moving back and forward. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to sleep on your single bed. So I've got a 7-foot foamy surfboard here. Obviously if you're a keen surfer, you're not going to have a foamy, you probably have a 6-foot shorty, whatever, so it's a bit easier. But yeah, this is a bigger board, you can demonstrate how to put it in, how easy it is to put it in, so yeah. So it's pretty easy, just slide your board in like so. There you go, board's in, and if the bed's extended out, you obviously just slide it underneath like that, but we'll show you with the bed extended in a minute, and we'll also show you the board on the roof. So we put the board up on the roof, so as you can see we've just used the hooks. Our hooks aren't brilliant because they've got a bit of a curve in them, so it does pop off. So obviously if you're going to do this, I recommend getting something that's a little bit better than what we used. As you can see, it's like that, so the surfboard's out the way, then obviously you can still put your bikes in there. But again, if you've got a smaller surfboard, you could obviously put it under here, or if you've got loads of stuff, you just put your surfboard and your reef racks on the top. But it's a pretty good way of doing it.
Right, I'm going to demonstrate putting the bed out, but this might go wrong, so bear with. There you go, lovely double bed, 5-star.
So there you go guys, you can see how easy it is to get the bed out, and then obviously all the storage underneath, and then the width for the bed. What's the width for that bed, Britt?
100, I can't read upside down. You have to come and read it. About 130 centimetres.
So the double width is 130 centimetres. But yeah, so it's pretty easy, and then I'll just show you how to put the surfboard underneath, because that's pretty simple. So yeah, so if you want to put the surfboard in, nice and easy, fits in pretty well, and then obviously you've got lots of storage as well. And yeah, so then when you shut the doors, obviously you've got loads of room. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's started to rain now, so we're going to wrap this up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you store your surfboard and your bike in the Caddy van, and with the bed and the use of the bed as well. So it's pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments below. If you want to see anything else about the Caddy, you want us to make a video, let us know about that again, because we can make a video, because we just want to help you guys out, you know, purchasing Caddies and making it simpler. Still got more to do with carpeting, all of this, a few bits and bobs, so have a few more videos to come. But yeah, let us know if you want to see anything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.